All right, we're in my bedroom right now and we're gonna check out this 2-pack of wireless light sockets. So here's my problem. In each closet, I have a light and I have pull cords, but these pull cords are kind of annoying. They dangle. This pull cord keeps breaking. It's all the way up there. So I'm looking for something simple that I can plug in and have a light switch on my wall. So let's check out the box. And there are 2 light sockets. Here are the 2 sockets. These are pretty simple. These are just gonna screw in. And then you have your remote light switch. It's got a mounting plate on the back. To install these, you're just gonna take your light bulb out. This fits a standard light. Screw that in, and it's installed, done. We'll throw the other one in. All right, so both are already installed, and what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna turn these lights on. Now we'll install the switch. The mounting plate here just pops right up. Here's your battery. Now this already has a battery installed. That's awesome. Just pull out the battery protector. If you need to get a new battery, this is going to be a 23A 12-volt battery. So we got our battery in, and now I have a light switch to turn these lights on. Now we're going to install the wall mount. You can put it wherever you want. We're going to throw it right here on the wall. This does come with some mounting hardware here. Got some screws and a couple of anchors. 2 screws with anchors should be fine. This isn't really that heavy. All right, now we're gonna install the light switch. So we're gonna take our back plate and make sure we have it in the right direction. I want my on to be on the top. So make sure you line up your back plate appropriately. Take some time to make sure this is straight and level. We're gonna mark out 1 hole first. All right, we drilled out our hole for our anchor. When you're drilling through your wall, you're gonna wanna make sure there's no electric, no pipe behind this, so make sure you do your due diligence on that. This is a middle of a closet wall, so there's nothing running behind this, but please don't drill into something you don't want to. Marked out our bottom. It's good to use a hammer on these. Be careful around your wall. All right, we got our wall plate up, and I really think this is awesome and convenient. Slides right on. You can't even see the wall plate behind. And we have light. And I honestly can't believe I didn't do this earlier. I love how this turns on both lights at the same time. This will give plenty of light in our closet.